So in this video, you'll learn how to change the default sound effects of your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. So if you want to change how the default sound effect sounds like on your AeroFit earbuds, then it's fairly simple. Simply launch the Soundcore app on your connected device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, and then ensure that the buds are connected with the app. Once they're connected, just tap on it like that, and then from here, what you want to do is simply select the option Sound Effects, and then you want to ensure that default has been selected. If it's not been selected, just tap on it once, and then once you've selected it, you can see the different options available. So by default, your sound effect will be the Soundcore Signature, which is classic bass. But if you want to change it to something different, you can choose volume booster, or you can choose classical, or you can choose bass booster. It's completely up to you. And you'll notice if you're wearing the buds, whenever you select a different sound effect under the default section, you'll notice the music or the audio changing to suit what you've just chosen. So whether it's a volume booster or it's classical, it's completely different dependent on any of these options. You can also tap on more, and then you can see the different options that you have available for you to choose from. So you have rock, you have R&B, you have hip hop, you have podcast. And so if you want to use any of these options, just tap on them once. So you can choose electronic like that, then go back, and then you can see electronic will have successfully appeared here. And so that's how you can change the default sound effect of your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.